The pump body and gearcase assembly consists of the cast pump body, the vent valve, the flow valve, the gearbox, the piston seals, and the eccentric drive. The assembly can be used to repair several different problems. The body can be cracked or broken if the tool is dropped. The piston seal can wear and begin to leak, and the gearbox can fail. Replacing the pump body and gearbox assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the barrel assembly. Now remove 1/2 of the housing. Now I'll pull the motor, gearbox, and pump assembly away from the lower housing. I'll need to remove one more screw. And I'll separate the gearbox and motor. I want to be careful I don't spill the gears out of the gearbox. And now I can remove the hose from the old gearbox. Now I can begin installing the new gearbox. There's a few components I'll have to swap from the old gearbox to the new. I'll start with the barrel O-ring. Next, I need to transfer the piston and eccentric from the old gearbox to the new. Now I need to rotate the eccentric around on the new gearbox so I can reinstall the piston. I'll use the end of my adjustable wrench to grab onto the eccentric and rotate it around. Now I can insert the piston and reinstall the eccentric. And I'll secure it with the keeper. The new gearbox assembly comes with a new motor backer plate. I'll remove it and transfer it over to the motor. You'll notice on the motor plate there's an alignment tab on one side. That alignment tab lines up with this ridge on the top of the gearbox. I want to keep that in mind as I install the plate onto the motor. Now I'll reconnect the gearbox and pump to the motor. Now I'll resecure the pump to the lower housing. And I'll reinstall the hose. Now I'll reinstall the housing. And now I'll reinstall the barrel assembly. And now you know how to replace the pump body and gear case assembly in your grease gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.